So, the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro were well received by the tech community, signaling that Google's flagship lineup is finally coming into its own. However, there's still significant room for improvement, particularly with the performance of the Tensor G series chips. These processors will need to prove they can compete with Apple's iPhone 16 Pro and Samsung's Galaxy S25, which is set to debut with the Snapdragon X Elite chip. Recently, designer 4RMD shared a captivating concept for the Pixel 10 Pro, and it's a vision we hope Google considers. While the concept isn't grounded in leaks or reports, it showcases a reimagined Pixel 10 Pro purely from a design standpoint. The proposed design introduces a major shift, moving the camera array from the horizontal bar we've grown accustomed to into a vertical layout that extends to the center of the device, aligning with the Google logo. The front of the device features a display with thinner bezels and a hole-punch camera, all protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for enhanced durability against drops and scratches. The concept also envisions slightly larger displays, with the smaller Pixel 10 model featuring a 6.4-inch screen and the Pro model boasting a 6.9-inch display, similar in size to the iPhone 16 Pro series. Additionally, the designer imagines a peak brightness of up to 4,000 nits, a significant improvement over the current Pixel lineup, even if the exact figure is unlikely. Battery life and charging capabilities also see an upgrade in the concept, with a proposed 5300 mAh battery paired with 45 watts fast charging. In terms of cameras, the Pixel 10 concept imagines a triple 64-megapixel setup. On the hardware side, the concept predicts the inclusion of the Tensor G5 chip, which promises enhanced computational and graphical performance. While this part aligns with expectations for the next Pixel iteration, it remains to be seen how the Tensor G5 will differ from its predecessor, the Tensor G4, and whether it can rival competitors like Apple and Qualcomm in performance and efficiency. Though purely speculative, this Pixel 10 Pro concept provides an exciting glimpse into what Google's next flagship could offer. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.